I am a lipstick addict, and I'm not saying that because I have hundreds of lipstick, which is one of the reasons I would say, but I am saying this because although I have hundreds of lipsticks, I still get attracted towards every single new launch that is available in the market. So yes, that is what this video would be about. Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. You must have already read by the title of the video that today's video would be a lipstick haul video. I usually do a lot of Nykaa hauls on my channel. I usually do at least one makeup haul on my channel every single month. But this haul specifically I would be calling lipstick haul because everything that I bought from Nykaa this time is a lip product. And to be very honest, this is not intentional. I did not on purpose bought just the lipsticks, but somehow everything that attracted me that was in my cart was a lip product. So yes, I have this huge box of Nykaa with me, and this particular box is filled with new launches. It is filled with a lot of new lip products. So this is what I would be sharing with you guys today. I would just be showing you the products that I bought and I'll be talking a little bit about them. I just received this box yesterday, so I haven't tried any of these products, but I would be sharing what all did I buy and how much are they priced. So if you are interested what all new affordable lip products that are available in the market, then keep on watching. I would be looking at my phone in between because I am not too sure about the prices or the MRP of these lipstick or how much exactly did I pay for them, because Nykaa is having its 12th birthday sale and I did get a discount on each of them. So I might be looking, I have opened my Nykaa app right here and my order history is here. So yes, that is what I would be looking out for. So let's start with the very first product. Okay, so the first product that I have is this Insight Cosmetics Hydrating Gloss, and this particular gloss is actually available in 4 different shades, and I have 2 of them with me. I have shade number 1, which is called Pearl Glaze, and I have shade number 4, which is called Pink Passion. Now talking about the MRP of this product actually retails for 249 rupees. Is a very affordable price for a lip gloss, but as I said, I bought them on a discount. I only paid 210 rupees for each of them. So I'll quickly show you both the shades that I have. The first shade that I have is shade number 01, which is called Pearl Glaze, and this is how it looks like. It is like a beautiful pearly sort of lip gloss, and to be honest, it seems more on like the clear side, but it does have a shimmer, so I think it would look beautiful. And the second one that I bought is shade number 04, which is called Pink Passion, and this is how it looks like. It is like a pink gloss, but it does seem to have some shimmer particles in it. I think it has like some silver and gold shimmer particles. So yes, that is the very first product that I bought from Nykaa. Now let's get into something that I just have 2 shades. I also bought 2 shades of Swiss Beauty's dual lipsticks. I used to have one of them from Colourpop Cosmetics, and dual lipsticks are basically like 2-in-1 lipsticks जिसकी दोनों साइड पे different colors होते हैं, and these particular lipsticks are also available in 5 different shades. So basically you have 10 shades in the collection, लेकिन there are just 5 pencils. I'll quickly open one of them and show you first what I'm talking about, and then we'll talk about the price point of these lipsticks. So this is basically how the lipstick looks like. There are 2 shades on both sides of the lipsticks. These are retractable, and yes, you can carry just one pencil in your hand and you will be having 2 different shades of lipsticks with you. Now this particular collection, as I said, have 5 options to choose from, and the ones that I bought are shade number 01, which is called Party Ready, and the second one is shade number 05, which is called Peach Me Pink. Talking about the price points, these dual lipsticks are priced at just rupees 299, so you basically get 2 lipsticks for 300 rupees, but as they were on a discount, I just paid 239 for each of them. The next lip product that I have is again by Insight Cosmetics, and it is again one of their new launches. It is Inside Cosmetics No Smudge Lip Color. This is how the packaging looks like. The collection in total have 24 shades to choose from, and I have 3 shades from the collection. The shades that I have with me are shade number 14, which is called Seashells. Then I have shade number 13, which is called Zanzibar, and I have shade number 01, which is called Costa Rica. I just realized that all of them are name of places, and if I'm looking at Nykaa's website, yes, all of the 24 shades actually do have a name which represents a place. So yes, I have 3 shades: Zanzibar, Costa Rica and Seashells. And if I talk about the price points of these lipsticks retail for just 70 rupees, and I paid around 230 rupees for each of these lipstick. Since it is a liquid lipstick, I am not too sure how my lips would feel after applying these, so I'll give these lipsticks a try and I would be back with a full review video on these. Now coming to the last set of lipsticks that I have, it is one of the most viral lipsticks that I currently am seeing on the internet, and it is by the brand Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty have launched a lot of products recently, but I particularly got attracted to these heart-shaped lipsticks by the brand. These lipsticks are called My Shine lipsticks, and these are available in 12 different color options. I love how beautiful the heart of these lipsticks look like. I haven't swatched any of them, but I got pretty excited by the way these lipsticks are marketed online, and since I got so attracted by these lipsticks, I got 5 shades out of the 12 that are available in the collection. So the shades that I have are 05 Candyman Pink, 06 Mystic Brown, shade number 10 which is called Do Me Pink, shade number 02 which is called Nude BFF, and shade number 04 called Rosé. I am very excited for this particular new launch, and if you are excited too, then do let me know in the comment section down below which particular shade would you like me to try first. I'm not too sure whether I should do a first impression video on these particular ones, or should I try them for a couple of weeks and then do a full review video on them. Do let me know in the comment section down below what do you guys want to see. Now talking about the price point of these lipsticks retail for 349 rupees, and I just paid 297 rupees for each of them. I would have easily got them on a full price of 349 rupees since it is a new launch, but I'm very happy that I was able to grab a good discount on them. If you're interested in seeing the lip swatch of any of the lipsticks that I showed in today's video, just mention the shade name in the comment section down below, and I would make sure to do a lip swatch video for that particular shade first, so that you can see the shade and can get it for yourself at a good discount. So yes, that being said, it concludes my today's lipstick haul video, and this is everything that I have. If you are excited to know how I feel about these range of lipsticks, how are these new launches, are they worth the price or not, how do these shades look on the lips, and how do these formulas perform, then do not forget to hit the subscribe button, because I would be talking about each one of them pretty soon on my channel. So that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching today's video. If you enjoyed watching today's video, do not forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button. So yes, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.